Good morning and welcome to my second painting in pajamas video. I know this was a tough week for a lot of you, and so I've been thinking about some fun but easy to do watercolor tutorials, miniature lessons, and one of the ideas that came to mind was balloons. So today I'm going to show you how to do these colorful balloons with circles that overlap and make different colors and blend into each other. And just it's really freeform, so whatever you do is going to be fun and cute and colorful, and you can put it on your fridge to cheer yourself up, or you can put it in the mail to give to someone. My nephew had a birthday this week, so we made a card that looked a lot like this one. And one of the little tricks that I'm excited to share with you is how to keep that little white space there to make the balloons look shiny. So I hope you enjoy. Okay, so I'm using my wet brush, dipping it into my dry paint and bringing it over to my paint tray just to mix up some color ahead of time. And then I'll just start by adding watercolor circles that are going to become our balloons. So now for the trick. Use your dry brush to soak up some of the watercolor that you just put down. And now you have a little white spot that becomes the shiny part of the balloon. You might notice how I'm pushing the watercolor off to one side. This is another way you can add depth and shading by pushing the darker colors off to one side and then adding that white spot using that dry brush again.